How to control a woman's mind and make her love you if you are an older guy. Fractionation. So like you probably even know out of my other videos, the stuff I am showing is really powerful. It is extreme mind control and fractionation stuff. That is scientific based and triggers the stuff in the subconscious mind of a woman you would like to trigger if it comes to seduce her and even make her to fall in love with you. So before we start, check out the link in the description to be able to receive my free book on this topic and to be able to get all the presentations and ebooks I am going to send you in the future directly via email. Back to topic. Before we start, make sure to promise me to never use this stuff for evil, like for example to hurt a woman. Because you are going to learn really powerful stuff that has to be used responsibly. Let us start. First thing you have to realize is that there is by far nothing as bad as making a woman think that you are a needy guy. No woman ever wanted a guy that thinks about himself as a loser to be her boyfriend. But the most men are doing exactly this. When it comes to seducing women, they are trying to stand women on a pedestal, and like I mentioned, there could be nothing more wrong than that. I mean, we all know these nice guy dots, and I also used to be one of them in the past too. So whatever you hate about yourself and whatever you think is not right with you, always make sure to do not let her know that it annoys you. But here is a shocking truth. Only a few people will tell you, women love to be possessed and to be dominated. Deep in their brains, there is a deep wired addiction to be dominated by a man. And if this sounds not politically correct to you, I am sorry, but it is the truth. No matter if someone likes it or not. But how to dominate or possess a woman? And like you already guess, here is the unpolitical but right answer: you need to manipulate her. The next thing I am going to do is to share with you some very manipulative and powerful tactics to do exactly this: manipulate a woman like she needs it. The mind control tactics will put a woman in a trance-like state and are linked to hypnosis science. She will literally become something like your emotional slave. And let me tell you something, if you practice these techniques enough, you can get her right there really fast. A viewer of mine sent me a very emotional email one day in which he told me that he has treated very bad by women for a lot of years. And started to realize that he would like to fight back on them. I told him a lot of mind control stuff via email, and he thanked me 1,000 times later on. The key is to never show your true intentions until the process of manipulation is finally finished. This is not really that hard, because you are actually targeting her subconscious mind. This means that she would not even realize that you are trying to manipulate her. Simply because you cannot defend yourself against something you are not even recognizing. Most guys which are not successful with women think that they have to show their true intentions and be honest with women to be successful. But there could not be something further away from the truth. Yes, you are able to be honest with women. But what you are definitely not able to do is to be honest with them and getting laid at the same time. You also have to realize that it is deeply branded in the female mind to reject men if they show their true intentions. I mean, for real, if you ask yourself, was there any point in your life you really thought that there is a woman which is truly happy when seeing a guy trying to show her his true intentions? I mean in real life, not in some Bollywood movie. She will instantly try to defend herself automatically. But like I told you, with simply working past her reflex of defense, you can be able to get whatever you want from her really easy. So that is it for today. If you want to learn everything, so you can see the whole picture, just make sure to click the link in the description and put in your email address.